Do I look at you or the camera?
Camera.
Hi, I'm Nadine Lustre.
Can you tell us a bit about how you got started in the industry?
A lot of people don't know this, but I started really, really young. I started when I was 7. But back then, it was really all for fun. So I was in a kids' variety show. I was hosting, singing, and dancing at the same time. I might look like I'm well put together, but I'm really not. I'd say I would love to be like any one of my dogs. Just because, like having no responsibilities and not really thinking about anything. I feel like that would be fun. Valid ba yung pinaglaruan ko ng glam team ko the other day?
What's the most random thing you purchased online?
I would say a black garlic maker. It's this thing that looks like a rice cooker on the outside, but on the inside, yung lutuan ng siopaw, may mga layers siyang ganon where you can put the garlic. Yeah, it's like a steamer, but it has to be on for like 2 weeks. Is it weird if I say that I can play Dance Dance Revolution 2 players? I'm using the dance pad and I'm using the controller at the same time.
What's the oldest thing you still own?
I would say my crystals in my collection because crystals are very, very old.
What's your biggest guilty pleasure?
I use a lot of my time playing computer games just because it helps me unwind, it helps me relax, keeps my mind off of things, off of work. I do feel guilty kasi nga I know I have a lot of tasks. I'm playing First Light now, the new 007 game, and Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. So I'm playing those 2 games now. It feels really good to know that people care about what I say. I love that people look up to me, but at the same time, there's a lot of pressure because having that responsibility, I know I shouldn't make any mistakes. Yon, it's good and bad at the same time. Thank you, thank you.